Hello, third grade. I wanted to do a video for you guys on fact families. I know we've discussed it a little bit. I don't feel like we have completely mastered the concept yet. So I thought about it and I thought, how can I explain this in a little bit of a different way? And the best way I could think of is to explain it like a regular family, like our classroom family. So here's our triangle. You see triangles a lot with fact families. And let's think of this as seats in our classroom. So Miss Wilson could sit here, Carter could sit there, and Landon could sit there, okay? It would be no different then if I moved them. Okay, we're all still there, middle of the triangle there. Or maybe Carter sits up here and Landon sits here. Either way, in our fact family triangle, we're talking about the same three people in our fact family, okay? So let's pretend these are numbers. Okay, let's say that we'll go with my age. I am the number 24. Landon, you are the number 6. Carter, you are the number 4. Okay, so if we think about that, we can say 24, 4, and 6. So here will be our fact family, okay? Which means we can say 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, or we could go the other way and say 6 times 4 equals 24. Either way, in our multiplication fact family, we are still using the same 3 numbers that we have over here, okay? Now, let's try and go the other way. Let's get my eraser here. Miss Wilson's gonna sit in a student desk down here, okay? 24, 6, and 4. We'll rearrange our numbers a little bit. So now we want to show these numbers being divided, okay? 24 divided by, let's say divided by 6. Divided by 6 should then equal 4. Again, we don't want to leave anybody out. We're using the same 3 numbers, which represent the same 3 people in every equation. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Well, let's go the other way. 24 divided by, we're not dividing by 6 this time. So we did that here. We're dividing by 4 equals 6. So either way, okay, in the multiplication or in the division, it's the same 3 numbers. We didn't add any different numbers. We didn't take away different numbers. We didn't say, well, 12 times 2 equals 24. That's a different family, okay? We're talking about the family we have here with 24, 6, and 4, okay? Adding a different number, saying, well, 12 times 2 equals 24, or different things like that, that's not what we're doing. We're looking at the same 3 numbers, 24, 6, and 4, in all of your problems. 6, 4, 24, 6, 4, 24, 6, 4, 24, 6, 4, 24. So that's a very different way of looking at it, but sometimes you'll see them on these triangles and they'll show you. 4 times 6 equals 24, or 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. It's the same 3 numbers, the same 3 numbers here, the same 3 numbers there, okay? That's the whole point of fact families. There are 4 different equations, 1, 2, 3, and 4, with the same 3 numbers.